Robert, what year's your COE?
1949.
It is a 49. I got it right. Yay.
The other one was a 50.
Okay. PCTV here. Jerry, what's up?
Hello.
What's up, brother, man? Today is clear coat day, and Robert has gone through and done a rust type stain. It's like a copper spray that he bought and applied to the bare metal. I've got video and pictures of the truck before, and then went through and did some creative grinder work. So today is application of clear coat. As you can hear, he's mixing like crazy. Oh, cool! You got one of the handles. Those, yeah, those work. And this is just going to be a good old rattle can. They tack rag the whole thing down. Yummy.
Yeah, that smell.
Ooh, that smell. And this is a two-stage catalyzed paint. It's kind of cool. You gotta pop a bottom button on the can here to mix it. So it's got a hardener in it. It's a little cool to be painting, but hey, you know, what do you do?
You posted about this one already, Robert? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be fun to do the roof.
What's that?
It's fun to do the roof.
Yeah, I'm gonna get up there and do that. I'm just gonna try to get this bottom edge so Jerry can start on the hood.
I want to do some.
Yeah. There's plenty to go around.
Ah, nice. I always love it when somebody plans a party correctly.
Alright.
Yeah, big change. Hard to tell with this light, but you can definitely see it. All right, clear coat on. Spraying extreme hazard, poison, flammable. What else do you do on a Sunday? But yeah, it lays down nice. The copper's starting to pop.
Pretty much got all of it
A little rattle can finish.
From here down is not painted.
There you go. Glitter time.
This area, up, yeah, everywhere.
So we brought in Sandyford to be the glitterazzi.
Yeah.
It's just so random. I mean, how do you do it, right? So she's spraying the glitter right now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's spitting.
Oh, what does that mean?
I don't know. Just being a bitch. That's what it means. Nice. Acid trip metal flake is what that is.
Dude.
You can go up on the doors if you want.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Just go for it.
It's a rat rod.
Just feel it flow out. There you go. Just flow it across there.
Nice.
Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. The hood.
This way, if it looks
It
Too-
keeps spitting.
too glittery or too nasty, we just blame Sandy.
It keeps spitting out.
Yeah, it's got a bad, or it's probably clogging the nozzle because it is shooting metal flakes through a tiny hole.
True. So we've all been rattle canning on this thing. They found out they think I'm a tagger, or at least an ex-tagger.
Professional tagger.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we
They're
see, if we ever see PCTV on the freeway overpasses, we know it was you.
As soon as Sandy saw my spray can technique, she went, "Oh, wait a second, what's going on here?"
Yeah, what is up with that?
It's gonna blow and go.
This is really fun, actually.
Yeah, wait till you see where the light is.
I can't
Yeah.
see anything.
You can't see
I know,
nothing.
it's hard to you can't see the damn
The
thing.
terrible lighting in here.
Make sure you want to back it out in the sun and see what it looks like.
Oh no, it's nice.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
You can see that.
Yeah.
My fingers are sticky. I think I'm getting high.
This is like one of the very first successful SCC car club projects,
See, and that's what car clubs are about.
where we all get together and have fun and
Yep.
do some shit.
That's what it's about. That's what I joined the car club to do. But I got a sticky thumb button. Sandy, go. Yeah, I tell you what, big change. Got some horns up front here.
Where else?
Lay some more on the fence.
Dude, I didn't realize you got a serious set of horns.
Yeah, I didn't know they were that big until until we put the grill out.
Yeah,
I knew
impressive.
there was horns. I could see them from back in there, but I didn't realize they were monsters.
Something else. You can't see it from where I'm shooting from. Look at that. That is just nuts.
You see it good.
Oh, and the fender needs more on this side than your bend, too.
Okay.
The fender looks good right here. This door needs more.
Looking glittery.
Yeah. I think the door needs
That's about it.
more. Right here.
Oh, the door definitely knows. Oh, the door definitely needs more.
Yeah, you don't see any on the door.
I
I
don't-
see it on the fender.
Yeah.
Probably wasn't spraying the glitter. Maybe the glitter.
Yeah.
Jump down here. Yeah, door and the fender probably a little more.
Well, this fender's loaded up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's got it.
Oh, okay.
It's definitely got it. You see the hood. You can see it in the hood.
Check this fender.
There you go. Glitterazzi. Oh yeah, lots of glitter here.
Oh, good.
See the little bit more on this side right here.
Well, they're great.
Here.
Pretty good. That's it. That's all she wrote.
That's
Is that
it?
on the glitter?
Yeah, I only had one can.
Oh!
I only had one can.
So, I mean, that's all we needed. You don't want to be,
That's right.
this isn't a,
Sparkle train.
this isn't going to be rolling down the gay pride parade anytime soon, okay? So,
Not a candidate.
Don't be scratching
I
stuff.
absolutely just fucking scratched it.
Did you really?
Yeah, Jesus.
Yeah, that's pretty cool though.
Yeah, it almost matches exactly.
Nice. Backside. And now we get sun. Little touch-up work. Got to get the first scratch. All right, here's what it looks like in the sunshine. Just got doing the patina. Copper coat, and we came in, Jerry and I helped, and all three of us, we just clear coated this truck, and the rain's coming again here and so right as we're talking. Just starting to rain. Perfect timing. Alright guys, well there you go. There's your Fauxtina for the day. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and Happy New Year to you.